Hello world and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I'm not gonna lie, I started editing this video and I was like, wait, I did not record an intro. So the lighting may be totally off because the sun has started to set a lot more. Maybe in a little bit of a different position, but I did want to get on here and let you know that this is the look that you will be seeing in like super soon, very soon. I decided to create a look that was very different, very dramatic, but yet really simple, and I'm not kidding you when I say it's really simple to create this look. So I'm not gonna ramble. If you're new to my channel though, I do want to introduce myself and say hi, my name is Yami. This is a space where I create clean, green beauty videos, makeup, lifestyle, and I hope that you enjoy watching. So if you do, then definitely click that subscribe button down below. Just know that as I'm looking at this, I'm like, it's a little bit thicker on this side, but overall, I love this look. It's super simple, but can definitely be sexy to go out in the evening with. And again, super easy. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let's just jump into it because I can talk forever. So let's go. I'm telling you, the eyes are super simple. You just need some tape. Unless you're really good at making those defined wings, then you do you, boo-boo, you do you. The shadow choice of your liking. I was gonna say the shadow choice of your choice, but it's repetitive, it's redundant. I'm gonna go in with the shade Cranberry. It's a wine color, and I'm gonna make the eye look, and that's literally the only shade. Actually, just kidding. I'm gonna go in with one more shade all over the lid really quickly. I'm gonna go in again with the PYT palette in the shade Coffee Run, and it's this shade right here, and I'm just gonna take that all over my lids really quickly, just to make sure that everything's just evened out and the same on both eyelids. That's literally all I'm doing. I'm gonna go in with a Silk Natural product. Because of that, it's a loose powder. I want to make it more intense, more easy to glide on, so I'm gonna go in with a rose water. This is the Rose Petal Rose Water. It looks like this. You can get this at like TJ Maxx. You can get this anywhere. And I am gonna spray the cap. I am gonna put the shadow in there with it, and I'm just gonna spray the cap and mix it together, and it's gonna make it really easy, so when you apply your wings and your eyeshadows, it's gonna look real good. So as you see, there is one eye. I'm gonna show you on this eye how to do that. So I put the tape, I defined it. Now the hard part is to see how far up you should go. So the tape is on there. I have the shadow on my angled brush, and I am just literally gonna go really close on that tape. There you have it. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the product and go really lightly on my lids. Kind of create a liner on the lids, but again, I don't want it too thick. So then I'm going to take this tip part up here where you stopped your liner initially and then round it up. So start to draw it like that and bring it down. And you can make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit up here as well. And that is literally the eye. Take the tape gently and just rip it off your eyes. And there you have it. There is your easy eye look. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Well People mascara. I will apply and then I'll come back. I'm going to skip this process because you've seen it before, and so I'll be back with the lips. I decided just to stick the Fit Glow back on, give some boost and hydration to my lips while these lips need it after scraping this off. Would not recommend, at least not this shade. I can try other shades, but this shade was not a good go for me. The Wine Water shade, it was just super splotchy or splashy. Splotchy, that's the word. It was super splotchy and just did not look like it was mattifying down, and it's a liquid lipstick. I don't know. This is what's on my lips. Super beautiful. Love it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. God bless your face. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.